Hello everyone. In this video, we will see one of the fast growing job opportunity for those who are having PSW visa. Specifically PSW visa, I'm targeting this information. PSW visa gives you 2-year work visa in UK without no sponsor. That's the main thing. That's been issued for those who are doing PG and UG, which is more than six months old courses in UK. So the best option is to get a good work, a full-time work in UK, and then use this 2-year PSW visa and get into a Tier 2 visa. However, there are many people who are not getting the Tier 2 visa as they expected, or they're not getting a very good job initially. Before getting into a permanent role or before getting into a full-time role, you can try this new fast-growing job market, which is the delivery job market. There are many market players in delivery sector, food delivery specifically. You have Uber Eats, Just Eat, and then Deliveroo. These are the major food delivery operators in UK. However, a new disruptor in the market is Gorillas. They are fast growing company which is started in 2020 July only. So they are just less than 2 years old company. They are fast growing in the grocery sector. They are not food delivery company. What they are trying to do is, we are grocery sector. We will deliver the food within 10 minutes. 10 minutes you order grocery, it will come to your home. That's the guarantee they are saying. So they are disrupting a lot of markets in the Europe. So they are disrupting market in Netherlands, Germany, Italy, Spain. So now they started the operation in London, that is UK region. What is special about this and why I'm suggesting this is, you got the PSW visa, there is no requirement for sponsorship. You cannot do this kind of role while you are in student visa. Student visa is not allowed in this job market. So if you go and apply in Gorillas with a student visa, they will not allow you. What is special about this Gorillas delivery, grocery delivery company is, as I mentioned, 10 minutes delivery slot. That's the maximum time they will deliver. After 10 minutes means they have some discount you can get. So what they do is, these Gorillas, that is the riders, they use a e-bike. They use only e-bike. In compared to the Uber Eats, Deliveroo and Just Eat, they can take a scooter, bike, motorbike or car to deliver the food and groceries. They do have tie-up with a lot of local supermarkets to deliver the groceries, but they don't guarantee 10 minutes or a delivery time of 10 minutes. That's the main thing. This Golira company gives a guarantee of 10 minutes delivery of your groceries, and this company only rely on e-bike, that is the electric cycle. That's only thing they are relying on, and they are targeting to deliver within 10 minutes. That's the first thing. And they are operating in few cities in UK. They are not operating in all the cities. They are operating only few cities, namely London. They are doing in Manchester, Bristol, Cambridge, Reading, Southampton, and Nottingham. These are the cities they have started operating and delivering the groceries. They are not delivering food, as I mentioned. They are delivering groceries within 10 minutes. That's the first thing. You already have a PSW visa that doesn't require any sponsor, so you can join this team. You can do full-time or a part-time. What is the salary? In the sense, salary is paid hourly basis, so you will get national minimum salary of £9.50 starting from April. So the e-bikes are provided by the company, so you will get an e-bike when you join this team. That's one thing. And second thing is, they will give you the full kit, that is your dress, coat or jacket, everything they will kit with the Gorillas logo. That's they're giving. And next thing is, they will give you a bag where you can carry the groceries. That's another thing they're giving. All these things help you to deliver the groceries within 10 minutes. Only thing is, you need to have a passion to cycle. That's the main thing. So you don't have any other option. So as an e-bike is the only option. They are promoting this as a friendly one and eco-friendly one. That's the main thing. So you need to cycle to the customer and then deliver within 10 minutes. How they operate is, they have many warehouses set up in the major supermarkets. So they use the space to deliver the goods, groceries to the customers within 10 minutes. See, in other food delivery companies, you can get an order from the customer and then go to the hotel or a restaurant, collect the food delivery and then give it to the customer. Here, how they operate is, they have a mini warehouses where you collect the groceries for the customer and then you can deliver to the customer within 10 minutes. So it's not a food delivery, it's a kind of grocery deliveries. So even you can start preparing your food and then order the goods, order the groceries and then get it delivered within 10 minutes. That's a challenge they're saying. So it's fast growing, it's disrupting the market. So anyone who is having PSW visa without a sponsorship, they can get into this job as a part-time or full-time until you get into a proper job which is related to your studies. That's the main thing. So you can use this as a part-time, but this will not take you to the Tier 2 visa after finishing 2 years of PSW. So that's the main thing. Don't rely on this as a full-time job. Just use this as a part-time job, or before getting into a full-time role, you can use this You can use this for Gorilla grocery delivery within 10 minutes as a gap to fix your time. Your goal should be to get a tier 2 sponsor and then move into a tier 2 sponsor visa after finishing the 2-year time period in PSW visa. But what I'm suggesting here is this Gorilla 10-minute grocery delivery is suitable for you as a part-time. That's one thing. Second thing is you can use this job opportunity to fill the job when you are searching for a tier 2 sponsor job or a full-time job in your specialization area. So until you get a full-time your specialization area job, you can use this Gorilla food delivery, which is coming new to the market. So you can enter and then you can get a job, or you can just use the income for your expenses. That's main thing, because you are not having job, then this is one of the option you have at the moment in the table. Also, you need to have a mobile phone with data connection to get an order and then go to the base, that is a warehouse, collect the order, collect the groceries and deliver to the home. The hourly salary also includes the tips which is given by the customers. Sometimes these tips may not be given. So, however, you will get a hourly basis salary from the company. One of the important thing about this Gorilla grocery delivery is you will also pay for the waiting time. That's the main thing. Other food delivery companies will not give you money for the waiting time, but here they are giving salary when you are waiting time. That is until you get into a new order, you will be paid in the waiting time also. So you go to the base of the warehouse, the supermarket warehouse base, then you collect the grocery. Until then you will be paid. So a lot of companies are signing up to this Gorilla grocery delivery within 10 minutes. The major supermarket is Tesco, which has signed up in London region. They are creating mini warehouses and then trying to deliver not all the items in the supermarket will be delivered within 10 minutes. They have few items selected for 10 minutes delivery. So they will use those selected grocery items. You can order and then get it delivered within 10 minutes. The main information in this video is Gorilla grocery delivery job opportunities available as a gap to fill your time before you get into a full-time job of a specialization, or you can do it part-time. There is no sponsorship required, but as an international student or as already having a tier 2 visa, you cannot do this work because you need to have a work permit for this company. But if you are already having a work permit for some other company, you cannot do this work. That is you cannot do second work. But students definitely cannot do this Gorilla for grocery delivery. Hope this video gave you information about a new job opportunity for PSW visa holders as a part-time or a full-time. Hope this helps you to get an informed decision and then proceed in your career. Let's catch up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.